What's up, y'all? I woke up today and decided today is the day I'm gonna change my life and the way I live life. Because if you're not growing, you dying. And I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. Check this out. I knew this girl named Tina. She was cracked out, spent her time and her money in a crack house for $20 at a time. She would sell sex just to get herself another blast in her chest. But see, for Tina, life became hectic, cause before long, she became pregnant.
Such a tragedy, she was a fiend for the flavor. Smoking crack induced her labor.
And that's a horrifying sight to see right on a crack house floor. She gave birth to a crack baby. The paramedics were an hour too late. When they arrived, they announced Tina DOA. The little infant was hemorrhaging, going through blackouts. Only an hour old and already cracked out, covered in his dead mother's blood. Now who's it for? Tina or the fool who sold her the drugs?
Homies dying, mothers crying. It's a world of confusion, calling all soldiers to the battlefield. In this war of life, we're losing. Hard ones that go through the ghettos, placing claim on another soul. Divided we die. Oh, but united we roll.
Now David was a gangster, thinking about survival. He bought himself a gun to protect him from his rivals. The lump of cold steel made him feel he was tough, but soon David found that he wasn't tough enough.
Such a tragedy. You see, he got into a gunfight. Oh, yeah. David got smoked that night.
See, David pulled the trigger on his rival, but before the rival died, he returned David's fire. David was a grown man when he took his first life, yet he was only 14 when he died. He choked and drowned on his own blood. Now who's at fault, David or the fool who stole him the gun?
Home is dying, mothers crying. In this world of confusion, calling all my soldiers to the battlefield. In this war of life, tell me why are we losing? Hard ones echo through the ghetto, placing claim on another soul. Divided we die, but united we roll.
From the ghettos to the burbs, we family, dog. I'm flesh of your flesh, let me talk to y'all. I had a dream to get rich, slinging crack till the feds attack. The dream flickered and died like a spin match. Picture that, we see the forest for the trees, chasing my own tail, trapped in a false reality. Take a deeper look, flip through the book of life. Each day is a page and enlightening if it's read right. You are what you eat, that's why we stay lost. If you feed your mind foolishness, you'll give birth to foolish thoughts. At all costs, avoid the law.
See my dogs on lockdown, I got love.
The government's got the boats moving dope by the keys, but yet and still they got their eyes on me. Is justice that blind? When money tipped the scales of life, I'm living on the verge of death, working hard on my third strike. Sacrifice, I hear repeatedly from my inner voice. With nothing but ghetto surrounding me, I see no other choice. Hoping for a brighter tomorrow. Liquor helped escape the sorrow, binging for weeks, restricted to the bottle. Then I looked in the mirror, it showed in his eyes. He was a scared man who camouflaged his fear with pride. Inside, something died. In this place, something better grew. The more he found, he learned, the more he realized what he never knew. Captured by the raw truth, tears fled his misty eyes. He cried as a man, cleansing his soul of all the lies. Baptized in his own pain. Now let us pray for one last thing. May our seeds bear the wisdom to heal the world. Let them not confuse these rats with our black pearls. Precious boys and girls, pick up the pace, here comes the enemy. Dear God, can't you help us when the